Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmac Works VERTEX Nissan Silvia S15, which is a collaboration between Tarmac Works and the Lamley group, as you can see. And this time it's colored in white, metallic white. And yeah, starting from the box, we can see that it says VERTEX Nissan Silvia S15 right here. Tarmac Works VERTEX, and then there is the car illustration right there. Sort of like this yellowish brown color at the bottom and then white on the top. There's the car right there presented on the side, and also this side as well. It's just the back part. Whereas on the other side, you can see that it says Lamley, as this is a collaboration between Tarmac Works and Lamley Group. On the top of the box, you can see that it says Global 64. Let's take a look at the back. Tarmac Works x VERTEX. And then Tarmac Works VERTEX, Tarmac for Good, Small Size Big Heart, Nissan licensed product, VERTEX Nissan Silvia S15 white metallic. And you might be wondering, where did I get this? And also I'd like to give a huge shout out and thanks to Two Monsters Shop for sponsoring this video, and for this Nissan Silvia S15. You can go check their store out at Tamarind Square, Cyberjaya, and you can go to their store and buy it there. This is one of their recent new stocks, or you can go ahead and get them from either their TikTok shop or their Shopee page, where you can basically buy it from them. And if you're not living in Malaysia, let's say you're from the overseas, you can go buy this from the Tarmac Works website if it's still available. And I guess let's go ahead and open this out without further ado. So you might be wondering, did I get a chase or not? If I got a chase, obviously you would know that I would have two in front of me right now, because I won't basically buy a chase without the original copy of the Silvia. This is something pretty much similar to what I've reviewed basically a few weeks ago, which is the red VERTEX Nissan Silvia S15 from the Indonesia Diecast Expo exclusive IDE, colored in red. This time it is a collaboration between Tarmac and Lamley, as well as VERTEX, right here colored in white. And as you can tell, yeah, the color looks gorgeous and it looks really clean. I really do like it. The details as well, you do have some sponsors here and there, with the addition of the Lamley Group like logo at the back right there, the rear window, which is nice. Detailed headlights and rear lights, and then you get the 6-spoke rim treatment, which is cool. Sort of like colored in this dark sort of brownish color, which looks actually pretty nice. So I guess, yeah, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Nissan Silvia S15, now colored in white. And later we shall do a comparison between this and also the red IDE exclusive. So here is the Nissan Silvia S15 VERTEX, as you can tell. Starting off from this side, obviously, we can see that these do come with the sort of dark brownish bronze sort of 6-spoke rims, which are indeed very nice and neatly detailed, with the rubber tire treatment as always, which is looking pretty cool. And then yeah, obviously the front and rear tires are basically the same size, which are actually pretty nice. You have the gas cap at the back right here. It actually says Ridge right here, but it is inverted, as well as VERTEX right there, VERTEX Ridge, but sadly it's inverted. You do have some sponsors, which I'm not going to read on this side. In fact, I'm going to be reading it on the other side, due to the inversion of the sponsors right here on this side. So I won't be talking about these sponsors yet, but we'll see it after this. I believe those are the extra blinkers, I guess, the blinker lights, which is nice. V-rims again, and then moving, oh yeah, blacked out side mirror, just if you're wondering, which is nice. You have the side window here as well, which is looking pretty good. Then moving towards the front of the car, you can see that these do come with the transparent lensed headlights right here, which are nice. Transparent, which is pretty cool. And yeah, they do carry a bit of detail here and there, which is nice. I do have the tiny front grille, and then you do have the exposed front end right here, and then you do get the detail of the intercooler right here, which is exposed, as you can clearly tell, colored in sort of like a matte color, sort of a matte silver, which is nice. Very neatly detailed right there. You have some inclusion of the white canards right here on both sides of the car, only one. And then down here, you do have like a website, I think. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, there is sort of like a website. What does it say? www.tna.co.jp. I don't know what is that for, but it's fine. The hood pretty much is empty, as you can tell. So you do get the regular windshield, obviously windshield tint, not slightly tinted or anything. You do have the windshield banner right here, which is cool, in black, and then you do have the VERTEX text, basically colored in sort of like a yellowish color right here, which is nice. So it says VERTEX right there. And then for the roof, yeah, pretty much clean and empty as always. So here is the other side. Now here's where I'm gonna say the sponsors. Like I said just now, you have VERTEX Ridge, but on the other side it's currently inverted, obviously. So you do get some sponsors right here, which are Car Make TNT, Leg LAGERFORT, is it? Yeah, no, LEGERFORF. I'm not sure what is that. Not entirely sure what sponsor is that. And then you have T0 as well as Solvex, which I do not know what are these sponsors all about, but still it looks pretty great. And then at the rear window right here, do need to highlight to you guys the Lamley Group logo right here, which is pretty nice. The text and also the logo right there. Shout out to the Lamley Group as well. Regular windshield tint here as well, obviously. So you do have red tinted rear lights as always, of course. The brake lights and also the reverse lights, I guess. No Nissan logo on the front nor the back. VERTEX logo right here. VERTEX license plate right here. And then you do have that similar website that I said just now. And then a single silver tipped exhaust, basically. As you can tell, the exhaust tip is colored in silver, which is a neat little detail. Moving towards the base of the car, metal matte black base right here. Tarmac works. What else does it say? 1/64 scale VERTEX Nissan Silvia S15 made in China. And oh yeah, overall that is looking pretty good. Now before we continue, let's take out this one, which you might remember is from the IDE exclusive that I've shown you on one of my previous videos. And yeah, let's go ahead and see. There should be no difference except for the paint color, obviously. Other than that, should be the same thing. Let's put on the turntable together. Now look at these two side by side, they look gorgeous. So the one that is colored in red is basically the Indonesia Diecast Expo exclusive special edition Nissan Silvia S15 VERTEX, which is not a collaboration with Lamley Group, whereas the one in white is basically the collaboration with Lamley Group. So the only key differences between the white and the red is basically one, the Lamley Group logo is not present on the red one, obviously, because it's not a Lamley Group collaboration. Next up, the rims. The rims on the white Silvia, they are colored in sort of a bronze-ish color right there, a brownish bronze color right there. And then the red one is colored in a blacked out rims, which is interesting. And then third, and obviously the most obvious one, obviously, is the color of the paint, which is one in white and also one in red. But both of them, other than that, pretty much the same thing. No change in sponsors, no change in detail or nothing, just the same thing. So you might be thinking whether you should buy a white Silvia S15 if you already have the IDE version. I still do recommend you guys to buy it, as the white one is also very nice, but especially if you do collect Lamley Group cars, then go ahead and get this as fast as you can. But let's say if you already have the red one and you love the red one so much, then I just say stick with the red one, because the red one is already looking great. The white one is also very nice, and kind of reminds me of more to an homage of the red one, obviously. Now looking at it side by side, it kind of reminds me of the Indonesian flag. Like, really, when you see the white one and the red one together, you can actually resemble an Indonesian flag, which is pretty much interesting. Very, very nice actually. And overall, I must say, the Silvia S15 in metallic white is overall a stunning looking car made by Tarmac Works. And yeah, personally, I would think that Tarmac should actually do more JDM cars for the Lamley Group as well. That doesn't mean they don't need to include the cars such as cars from Europe, or cars from basically Germany, or American cars, basically American muscle. They could do a ton of other cars as well. Doesn't have to be the S15, since we've gone the S13 and also S14 in the Lamley edition. The S13 is somewhat similar to this one in metallic white as well, compared to the S14, which is colored in sort of the yellowish white color, like I said previously. Whereas this one, it returned back into white, basically, as you can tell. Metallic white, overall very nice. The whole car is very clean and overall stunning looking view. And yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Tarmac Works VERTEX Nissan Silvia S15, made by Tarmac Works with the collaboration of Lamley Group. And yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, I would like to thank again to Monster Shop for sponsoring this car. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.